Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my EDL 850 School Law Module 1 Personal Introduction video. A few things about me. I am currently a 6th grade math teacher at Larned Middle School. This is my second year at the middle school and my third year teaching overall. I was a 4th grade teacher before 6th grade. In our school, there's approximately 200 students in grades 6 through 8. I graduated from Kansas State University and received my degree in elementary education, and I am currently working on getting my master's in education administration. A reflection on how my administrators demonstrate knowledge of laws. They require us teachers to do online trainings at the beginning of each school year. The trainings we did were suicide prevention, emergency safety intervention. We did bullying and bloodborne pathogens. Our administration also sends out an email with a copy of the handbook for us to review and go over each year. And this year we've had a lot more emphasis on the crisis drills due to what's required of us. And so we've kind of made that more of a priority because in the past we haven't had a lot of priority given to school shootings and kind of protecting ourselves in that ways. So we're starting that process a little bit. My school is also in the beginning stages of the KISA accreditation process, so our school has been working a little bit with that. And we have building and district leadership teams. Our building team meets about once a month, and then the district meets a few times a year, just to kind of discuss those new issues that arise and maybe new laws or things that are happening in our schools. And then we also have weekly PLC meetings. So we meet with our grade level team. So for example, I meet with my 6th grade team as well as the principal, assistant principal, the counselor, and then some of the support staff like our at-risk teachers. And so this is a great way for us to keep up to date and communicating with what's going on, some new things that are happening, just to try and be preventative as well as proactive as well as what's already happened. My personal critique of the laws. I feel that I have very minimal knowledge of the federal and state laws. Just being in my third year of teaching, I received some in special education because that's what I received my specialty when I was in college. And then since teaching, I've learned a little bit about some of the laws with technology and bullying, but like I said, it's kind of at a minimum. The school board policies, the district that I'm in, since it's my second year, I'm starting to become more aware and more familiar with those. And when I'm just not sure, I always go ask. I ask my mentor teachers that I've had, or I ask the teachers that are around me. I just always ask others who I respect to help me out, as well as my principal and other administrators. My proposed plan, in order for me to become more aware of these things, I'd like to read the policies more in depth. When we're sent those things, like at the beginning of the year from our principal, I'd like to actually read them deeply instead of just skim over them. I'd also like to attend board meetings in our district. This will help me keep up to date with the local processes and laws that our school is going through. And then continue learning about new laws, reading articles online, or just researching things that are coming new and up to date, as well as continue asking questions. I'm going to continue to ask those around me because I feel like those are some of the best resources that I can have to continue to learn. Thanks for watching.